How to check Wi-Fi speed on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. You can also use other browsers for this. Once you're here, type fast.com into the address bar and press enter. Fast.com is a website operated by Netflix, and it's specifically designed to test your internet connection's download speed, which is crucial for streaming services. While it primarily focuses on download speed, it also provides upload speed and latency or ping information. The website will immediately start testing your download speed. The download speed will be displayed, and after a few seconds, the upload speed and latency or ping will also be shown. Following these steps, you can easily check Wi-Fi speed on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.